welcome back to the channel. I'm Jesse. This is Hunt Performance. Today's kind of a busy day. Just go along with me. I'm going to show you another welder that I'm using, that I'm running. I'm going to show you my first official project that I've started my own business as of like right now. I've got to get one old truck started and moved. I know it's going to start and it'll move. I got to try to start another truck that's going to be a project truck because I really need a pickup to drive, and I ended up with a couple of new projects. We're going to talk about a couple of them. A couple of them we're not going to talk about. We're going to keep hidden until they show up and I can talk about them in more detail. But anyway, we've got a lot of cool stuff to show you today, and project pickups and some welding stuff I need to do, and other like ranch stuff that's I got to do too. But that kind of video goes on my other channel, my vlog channel. Link in description. I also do pews and stuff like that. If you guys want to check that out, link in description, other channel. But anyway, come along for the day. Thanks for supporting the channel. Like, subscribe, comment. Here we go. We've got a lot to do. Let's get to it. First, come on, show it. Well, there's a trailer hooked up. I gotta unhook this trailer, and then I'm gonna start something, and then yeah, lots to do. Let's go. Okay, first thing we gotta get started is this. This is a 74.5 Chevy C60. Got a 350 Chevy, 4-speed trans, 2-speed axle. I think it's 74. It's got a VIN. It's in the mid 70s. Anyway, I put a new battery in it yesterday, so it should start without too much effort. Zoom out to show you guys better. Sorry, gloves in the way. But we're gonna go ahead, give it a little choke. Yeah, you hear the fuel pump? There we go. Take it out of gear. And I'm just gonna get this thing started. It also has a throttle down here. It doesn't work very good, so give it a little bit there. Oh, come on. Give it a little gas. Well, she started pretty good. It's about, I don't know, 35 degrees out right now. But I'm gonna let this warm up for a minute, and then we gotta go unload it because it's full of junk, as you guys see back there. We've been doing a bunch of cleaning and stuff on the ranch here, cleaning and burning down buildings and shit like that, but we're gonna get this unloaded. But yeah, start it up. Okay, sorry for the glare, but now I want to show you Chevy's down at the end of the driveway, down there. If it's hazy and you see smoke, you get smell-o-vision, you smell smoke. We've been burning stuff, but it's fine. It's fine. But the Chevy's down there warming up. It's gonna take a few minutes. It's an old 350. It needs a bad tune-up. We'll probably show that later on the channel. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the welder that I'm gonna be using for the project that I got right there. Let's talk about it. So this is a Miller Bobcat 225 NT generator. It has the Onan engine in it. 2-cylinder Onan engine in it. We've had this welder for, I don't know, probably on the ranch, you know, my family, grandpa has had it for probably 10 years, I would imagine, ish, somewhere in there, 10 years. Put a lot of hours on it. It doesn't have a crazy amount. It's got quite a few hours on it, 1,463. Anyway, it runs all right. It does need a little tune-up. I'm going to send the serial number to my local pracs there because I like using them the best. I found them to be the best around here. And they're going to see if they can get me, you know, the filters and all the stuff I need to get this guy tuned up. But it does start and run, and it does work. Sometimes the run idle doesn't work the best, and you always need a little bit of choke to keep it running. But it has been a good welder. I'm working on this. So this is a roof rack for a short bus. Literally, it's going on top of that guy right there. I don't want to show the license plate, but yeah, it's going on this for a retired Army veteran. Love to help the veterans out. He basically is making it into a miniature motorhome. Needs more storage space, and I said, hey, you know, I can build that for you. And I want to do some welding. That's where I want to make a living, so I can be home more. I want to weld for, you know, myself, be my own small business. So that's awesome. But yeah, roof rack, short bus. We're using the Bobcat 225 NT. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some, you know, Lucas injector cleaner. See if I can get it to clean up a little bit. Just help it out. I need a new gas cap. It's got a hole in it. That doesn't help any. I do usually myself. I run premium. I do have local non-ethanol fuel, which is good. But my grandpa buys the cheapest stuff he can find and puts it in anything. So that's not good for, you know, anybody. But yeah, so I'm only gonna run premium in this guy. no big deal. But yeah, let's get her tuned up. So I got the Lucas put in, and like I said, it always takes a little choke, but we're going to see if it... See, it kind of likes to run. Runs fine that way. Pretty loud. But anyway, the run idle kind of works once it's warmed up. Not a bad welder, needs a tune-up, but anyway, that's what I'm using for this project because, you know, it's more reliable than the old Hobart G261, which I need to work on. I don't know what my wife's doing, but she's going to do something. I think I'm going to go unload that truck, and then we're going to go try to start and show you the first pickup project of the channel. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. Good news. Chevy worked great. Even got the wife talked into spending a little money on it. So if you guys want to see more of the white Chevy, it's like a 75 Chevy C60 with a dump bed. The dump bed worked great. She saw the dump bed and she got all hot and bothered, and now we have to keep it because we were going to sell it.
You have to make sides for me so I can carry gravel.
Okay, I'll make sides for you so we can carry gravel. So I got another welding project, but I'm gonna come up here to the project trucks because we got to talk about it. And unfortunately, I checked the oil. We're not gonna be able to start it, but I think you guys are gonna like the projects. What? So here they are. So here it is. I recently acquired these two trucks in a package deal. I actually bought 3 trucks, but we'll talk about the 3rd truck later. But this truck was my buddy's truck, and as you see, we got the HP logo, and that's because me and this buddy of mine and my brother, we were like the 3 amigos. But he's, you know, we're like mid-20s, so we're adulting, doing life stuff, and he's decided that he's going to sell these to me, and I'm going to use them as a project truck. But he originally had both these trucks, so he rolled and wrecked this pickup, and then we're going to take the heart of this one and hopefully transplant it into this guy pretty easily. This is a 12-valve truck. This is a 12-valve truck, single cabs. I mean, yes, we're gonna need some parts, obviously. This is a sport model, which is stupid. I'm gonna take those stupid steps off. I hate it. But anyway, so this truck was rolled. But another cool thing is this flatbed, we built it. This was the 2nd flatbed that I ever built. And I've built 5 flatbeds so far. So this is the 2nd one we ever built. It spent some time on another single cab automatic truck that I had for a while. Spent some time, my brother had a 92 first gen Cummins 12 valve that it spent some time on, and now it's going to get transplanted from this truck onto this truck and live on here. And this flatbed probably helped save my buddy's life when it rolled. I don't think the stacks are going to live because I just don't think I can do it. But this is a project, so we got to get the 12 valve, the 5-speed, what it is, it's a 5-speed. We gotta get the 12 valve, the 5-speed, the transfer case, and anything else that we can salvage off this truck, move it over to this truck, and put this truck back together. There are quite a few good parts, but as you notice, I need a hood, I need a core support, probably gonna see if I can grab some fenders, but I mean, the shell is here, the wiring's in place, so I shouldn't be having too much work. Like I said, there's good parts on here I'm still gonna take. But yeah, so I'm excited, and this is our project. So like I said, if you guys want to see more videos, you know, those are coming. We're going to town, and this is just kind of a random video. Thanks for watching. We're taking my wife to town to buy lottery tickets because, you know, the Powerball is like super high. But we're gonna have the Chevy C60 if you guys want to see more of that. You know, comment down below if you want to see the 12-valve trucks ASAP. Comment down below because it'd be nice if we had more than one pickup. right now. And then I need a welding rig, so might as well. I got two 12 valves. And then there's another pickup coming later this month or early next month that'll show up that you guys are really, really gonna like. So we'll talk about that one once it gets here. But anyway, guys, I'm Jesse. This is Hunt Performance. Thanks for stopping in and watching. What?
Are you asking your mother?
Okay, we'll go. We've got to do some communicating with my mother. We will see you next time.